Good day, everyone! Welcome to Camglish.com. This is Teacher Jara, and I will be with you for less than 10 minutes in dealing with a preview of some exercises related to our previous topic. So, come and join me as we study the book English Reading Basic 1. In our previous video, we discussed Unit 11, and the article is about copper. In that video, we learned how useful copper is in our lives. So for today, let's answer some exercises related to this topic. Let's now begin. For our first activity, we have reading comprehension. Here, we will check the level of your understanding about the passage. You need to answer 4 questions, but don't worry, there are 3 choices to choose from, so it will be easy for you to find the correct answers. Let's now begin. For number 1, why is wire made of copper? A. Because it delivers electricity very quickly. B. Because its color is pretty. C. Because it's expensive. So what is your answer now? Good job! It's letter A. Wire is made of copper because it delivers electricity very quickly. Now let's have number 2. Which is not made of copper? A. A pot. B. An electric stove. Or C. Plastic. So which is your answer? Nice! It is letter C. Because plastic is not made of copper. Now for number 3, you need to fill the blank. Just choose the right words. Copper is the first metal blank. A. That people made. B. People used in history. And C. To make plastics. It's very easy. I know you can do it. So the missing phrase is letter B. Copper is the first metal people used in history. I hope you got that right. Now let's move on to number 4. For this number, you need to find the correct words so that you will have the complete thought of the sentence. Here it is. People make cheap blank. A. Accessories using copper. B. Clothes using copper. And C. Shoes using copper. So what is your final answer? Great! It is letter A. People make cheap accessories using copper. Now let's have our next activity. For our second activity, we have writing practice. For the instruction, complete the sentence with the expression from the passage. You need to answer this question. Why is copper used to cover the surface of buildings? So find the missing words. Because copper has blank. It's very easy. Time's up. Let's check your answer. Copper is used to cover the surface of buildings because copper has beautiful color. Now let's have our last activity. We have summarizing practice. Here you need to read and complete the summary with the words from the passage. But don't worry, you have clues. Like for the first letter, it starts with letter E. Second starts with letter C. And the last word starts with letter M. So let's read the summary. Copper is very useful because it delivers blank very quickly. Copper is blank, so it is used everywhere. Also, it is the first blank people used in history. So find the right answers now. Now, let's have the correct answers. Copper is very useful because it delivers electricity very quickly. So the first answer is electricity. Copper is cheap, so it is used everywhere. So we are looking for the word cheap. Last sentence. Also, it is the first metal people used in history. So, the third word is metal. I hope you got all the correct answers for this activity. This is the end of our lesson for today. I hope you learned a lot. So, if you want to have more of these exercises, you can go to camlish.com. Again, this is Teacher Jara saying study hard and do good. Have a nice day, everyone. Bye-bye.